¿Qué pasó? Welcome back, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything. We got a bass battle here between two beginner basses. In the blue corner, we got Ibanez GSR 200. And in the red corner, we have Donner DPJ 100. That was funny, but here we have it. Two very similar basses. The only difference is the neck pickups are reversed on the Donner. Let's see how they stack up. When it comes down to it, I feel they both have a good sound. They're a little different, so it comes down to preference there. When it comes to comfort, I feel the Ibanez GSR 200 is a little more comfortable compared to the Donner DPJ 100. It's just a little easier to play. Fretboard's a little more comfortable, less fret buzz, but they're both good to start with.